good, right? Greek yogurt. So look at those tomato seasoned eggs, turkey, chocolate croissant, cheese, and tomato.
I put there 2 spoons coffee.
Yes.
Black. You prefer black, I think.
Yes. Alright, one moment please.
Yes.
Salud.
Or I will prepare in 1 second.
No, I'm happy. Let me see.
It's very hot, the water.
Okay, thank you.
Next time,
Very good.
coffee with Nescafe.
Alright.
You will start with double espresso and the second.
And then
you have choice.
And then I go to the hospital. Time to leave. About an hour. Hi, mommy bird. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye-bye. You know, I've been here before, and I left with the understanding and the acceptance that I won't be back. Well, when I was planning this trip, I decided one more time. There is an undeniable feeling here. And I've tried my best to look and to listen, to soak it in, because I really want to remember that feeling. If I can remember the power of the feeling, it might make me return one day, but I have to assume that I won't. So this moment is filled with a little sadness. Like this time it's goodbye. Goodbye, mommy bird. I enjoyed your music. And I hope that your babies grow up to sing a beautiful song. $10. If I am anything, I am punctual. Plenty of gas. I drove down there to get the ferry ticket. I'm coming here to drop the car off. I'm gonna say, here's the car. He's gonna say thank you. I'm not gonna run the camera. We need to do this quickly. Undamaged. Undamaged.
All good?
It's all good. It's over there. I get my stuff out of the car. All right, let's go. Here's the order of business. I am €10 away from being broke. I came on this island with €300 and I've made it last. We need an ATM. I need a chocolate croissant and a double espresso immediately. And I still have to pick up the ferry ticket, which leaves in 2 hours. All right, now we have 200 more. 200 more. I'm sure it costs around $230, $220. But if I can, listen, if I can make €300 last for 7 days, I only have 2 or 3 more days. It's unbelievable. This is day 7. All right, this is kind of my first. I can't explain it. But here, hold on. So this double espresso is courtesy of Catherine, and Catherine says, "You've inspired me to solo travel." Absolutely. Well, me and my dachshund Brownie May. All right. Brownie May's going somewhere. Meatball doesn't have an international passport. Anyway, and if you would like to buy me a cup of coffee or a chocolate croissant, check the link below. Let me explain something that happens all the time. When you get off of the ferry, you don't know really where you are. A little disoriented. Doesn't matter, I've been before. But on the islands, when you get back on the ferry, you really feel like you conquered the island. You know? Like I'm watching people get off and they've got amazement. You know, I'm getting back on fulfilled. Are you ready? Let's go to Skiathos. Are you ready for Skiathos? Skiathos.